Hey guys, it's Kerry. I've got some interesting Indian wildcats and wild animals. Fishing cat, live in wetland habitats and are good swimmers. Tiger. Tigers are territorial and usually solitary in nature. Their social system is connected through visual signals, scent marks and vocalizations. Tigers interact briefly only for mating purposes and occasionally to share their kill. However, there has been a few rare instances documented in which tigers have collaborated on a hunt, similar to a pride of lions. The size of tiger territories varies greatly by locality, season, and prey density. In areas with high prey densities, tiger territories tend to be smaller in size because ample prey may be found in smaller vicinities. Seasonality affects prey migrations, food availability, and weather may also affect prey populations and therefore the size of tiger territories. An adult male's territory will usually overlap several females' territories. The larger area contains more than enough food, water, and shelter resources, but is larger to accommodate more females' territories. Asian golden cat is very similar to the North American puma. Asiatic lion. They are highly social animals and live in prides of up to 5 females. Males associate with the pride only during mating and large kills. They are active only for about 4 hours a day, spending the remainder sleeping or resting. Male Asiatic lions defend their territory from marauding rival males. If defeated in the fight by way of submission or death, the younger victor takes over the pride and territory. Beside roaring, also growl, grunt, snarl, and use tactile methods for communication. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Jungle cat are one of the most widespread and common wild cats in India. Asian buffalo is a large bovine native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is the most likely ancestor of the domestic water buffalo. Both sexes carry horns that are heavy at the base and widely spreading up to 2 meters. The tip of the tail is bushy and the hooves are large and splayed. Markhor. They are a unique species of mountain goat. They inhabit upper elevations with vegetation as their food source. They are skilled climbers and will scale steep rocky terrain to escape predators such as snow leopards and wolves. Asiatic Ibex are wild goats. Both sexes have circular rings around their horns that represent annual growth. Both sexes also possess a large scent gland about 3 centimeters across beneath their tail. Red panda. They have a long shaggy tail and a waddling gait due to its shorter front legs. It's roughly the size of a domestic cat, though with a longer body. It's arboreal and feeds mainly on bamboo, but also eats eggs, birds and insects. It even sleeps up in the trees. Their long bushy tail with 6 alternating transverse ochre rings provides balance and excellent camouflage in a habitat with moss and lichen covered trees. The legs are black and short with thick fur on the soles of the paws. This fur serves as thermal insulation on snow-covered or icy surfaces and conceal scent glands, which are also present on the anus. Pallas cat has a greyish face, a stout build and long hair with white tips. Asian elephant. Males have an increased level of aggression during musth and physically fight with each other to compete for mates. They use their tusks in combat and can become injured or even killed during these fights. Asian elephants have a temporal skin gland in their temples that is periodically active. During musth, the temporal gland and the testes become extremely enlarged. There is a strong smelling secretion of the temporal gland, which the male smears over his face using his trunk, and levels of testosterone as well as other hormones are elevated. The female will only allow the strongest and most fit males to mate with her. The female's urine contains a sex pheromone that increases before ovulation. The bulls sniff the female's genital area and urine and place the trunk tip into their mouth. Prior to copulation, they wrestle with intertwined trunks, bite each other's necks, and the male attempts to mount. The male mounts the female from behind. Copulation lasts about 30 seconds. Newborn calves are very hairy compared to adults and much hairier than their African elephant calves. Indian leopard. They have larger rosettes than any other subspecies, with a paler coat in desert habitats, greyer in colder climates, and more ochre in the rainforest habitats. Asiatic black bear. Its body is heavy and its legs are strong and thick with broad paws. It walks on the soles of its feet as humans do. Sloth bear. They are able to hang upside down on tree branches, much like a tree sloth. They are one of the most dangerous wild animals in India. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.